Hello and welcome to Psychology Roots. Today I will go to demonstrate how to create query or request any material related to psychology, and you can also participate in process which you can help others related to psychology. So first we need to go psychologyroots.com. So now we have psychologyroots.com. So as you can see that the option of community is appear in the menu. You can click on the community section. Here is our Psychology Roots forums. So you can now log into your account if you are not registered. So see my previous video related to process of registration on Psychology Roots, or directly follow the steps on register button. Here we are going to log in. And press login button. Successful message will be received. After then we are redirected, and here your account is showing that I am here is login. So here I am show you which forum is forward. First of all, the main section of the Psychology Roots forum, where the Psychology Roots team appear or share the announcement related to Psychology Roots services, and the second one is tutorial and guides, where we can share our all tutorial and guides how to perform any action in any section. And then next one is research desk, where you can ask or share related to APA formatting, and the second one is research article and thesis, and the next one is scale questionnaire test, and the last one is result and discussions. The next category or the main section is clinical counseling and psychotherapy, where you can ask related to the specific your query. Let's suppose your query is journal related to clinical or counseling and psychotherapy. So you can ask in the journal query. If you are specific and you know your query is related to depressive disorder, so you can ask in depressive disorder. Or if your is trauma, then you can ask in trauma. And if you think your query is most relevant in some other platforms or some other disorders, so you can ask us to create a new forum here, so we can create directly to for you. Okay, so mostly we have received more queries related to research work, and in which mostly ask about any scale and questionnaire. So you can select if you need any questionnaire. So you can go to the scale and questionnaire test forum and click on this. When you click, the forum is completely open, and now you can create a query in a few steps. First, select a topic. Here you can your query title is here. Let's suppose I need depression scale. So normally people type like this. So our suggestion, you can only type depression scales and explain in the below box, I need for my research work or clinical work following scales. And then you can mention that you need BDI or any other any other, and must be clear that which language you can prefer. If you need the scale in Urdu language, then you can must in with a name of scale like Urdu. If you need English, then mention English. So this can help us, especially our team, that you can relevantly ask related to the scales and which language, so we can find and share specifically related to your query. And here in the tag section you can make the you can make the keywords like depression scale, comma, and then next the keyword is back depression inventory or BDI, and maybe you can BDI. And this subscribe to this topic is help you to get email notification when anyone our admin is replying on your email. So this is, and the last step is clicking on the add topic. As you click on the add topic, this post and your request will be listed in our, and your successfully is here, and you can see here that your query is now look more beautiful, and you can see that your information and the your query and your tags are here. After that, when someone replying here, if I can create a demo reply here on this post. So after that you can see that how can see the solutions admins, and you can also reply here if you can see this post and you want to reply, and this here is a reply box, and you only type here and attach the file, and maximum allow size is 1 MB. So you can 1 MB file attach here and add reply, click, so directly you can reply. So this is a simple process how you can create a query on Psychology Roots forum. This is the updated version, so I will update you if any other update will happen on Psychology Roots. Thank you so much. See you in next video. Goodbye.